Question 22. This cube has shapes drawn on 3 of its faces. So we've got a rectangle on the top face, a quarter circle on the front face, and a triangle on the right-hand face. Let's have a look what we've got to do. It says the cube is turned to look like this. Draw and shade the missing shapes. Well, the rectangle has gone from the top face and it's rotated round to be on the front face. There. Okay? So we've got to figure out where does the quarter circle go and where does the triangle go. One way we can do this is to actually use some of the sides on the squares to help us. Well, this side here touches both the rectangle and the quarter circle. So this side, when it's rotated round, would actually be up here. And we can use this to help us. So, if this side touches both the rectangle and the quarter circle must be touching this pink line. And it can't be in the same square as the rectangle. So it can't be there. So it's got to be in this square. Okay? It can't be near the bottom because the quarter circle doesn't touch the rectangle. So it has to be near the top. So it's the only place left. So it's going to be there. And that's the quarter circle done. Okay? So my quarter circle is done. I'll use a different colour for my triangle. Now, if you look back at the original shape of my cube, which has 6 faces, every cube has 6 faces, I can actually only see 3 faces. I can see the front, the top, and the right-hand side. And I can still only see 3 faces here. Now, every one of my 3 faces has got something on. So the top face has the rectangle, the front face is the quarter circle, and the right face is the triangle. On the shape down here, I've already filled in 2 of my faces, but all 3 faces need something on. So, the only face that my triangle can go on is this top face here. Okay? Now, what I notice is that this line, this diagonal line, does not touch the quarter circle. So, if I draw it from this corner to this corner, it's going to touch the quarter circle, but it can't do that because it doesn't do that in the top cube. So it has to go from the other 2 corners. So it's got to go from that corner up to there. Okay? The only other thing we need to worry about is which bit do we shade. Well, the bit next to the quarter circle is white. So if we go to a quarter circle, the bit next to it is going to be left white. It's the other bit that gets shaded. So that means that this must be my shaded bit of the triangle. And there you have it. With that question, some of you may find it difficult, but you've just got to try and visualize how the cube is rotated and where the shapes are going to be on the rotated cube. Hope that helps.